welcome back to my channel, me, Vasu. In today's video, I'm going to show you my new facial cleansing tool. I got it from Burlington. The actual cost is around $16, but in Burlington, I got it for around $10. It is mentioned here as it clears pores, reduces pore size and appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, suitable for all skin types, exfoliates and cleanses the pores of leftover makeup. Electric rotatory brush cleans, massages and exfoliates more effectively than manual cleaning. I do not have large pores or any open pores, but it's been 1 year that I have been to the parlor for my facial. And I'm not sure if I'm exfoliating my skin properly, so I thought I will use this brush and I really liked it. And the second reason why I bought this is it will help in the blood circulation. While it is moving on the skin, it will give a little bit of massage and then the blood circulation will happen, which will result a little bit of glow in my skin. It has two brushes. One is already attached to this, the smaller one. It is a battery operated one, so we have to open it from here down, and I have placed the two batteries. Again, you need to fix it. Done. It is very simple. Power on and off button is here, and once we press, it rotates, and it is very gentle actually. I will show you in the video where I am using it. You can increase or decrease by using these buttons, but I always keep it very low pressure. If you want to open the brush, you have to just twist it and then comes out. You can clean it inside as well as the brush after using, and then if you want a bigger brush, you can use this as well. So even before going into the video and showing you all how I'm using this tool, before that I wanted to let you all understand why exfoliation. Our skin generates cells every day, and these cells on the skin die and they turn into dead skin. So only through exfoliation we have to remove the dead skin. We are using so many products on our face, and to get the maximum benefit of the products that we are using on our skin, it has to be clean. Applying all the products on your dead skin, and if your skin is not ready to absorb that, it is a waste of investing that much of amount on the skincare product. So exfoliation on a regular basis is very much important.
Now let's try to understand how often should you exfoliate your face.
Exfoliating or scrubbing your skin on a regular basis, like at least once or twice in a week is good, but I prefer doing it once in a week because I feel my skin gets a little bit irritated if I do more of exfoliation. So understand your skin type on how it is reacting if you are exfoliating your skin once or twice a week, and then proceed accordingly.
What is the best time to exfoliate our face?
Now let's understand the concept of when to exfoliate your skin. Usually it is preferred to exfoliate your skin at night times, because if you are exfoliating or scrubbing your skin, the dead skin layer will go away from our skin and our skin becomes a little sensitive. So prefer to exfoliate or scrub your face at the night times. After exfoliating, so that you are using a good toner and then your night cream or your moisturizer. If in case you are exfoliating or scrubbing your face in the morning, there are chances that you get your skin damaged. Make sure that you are using a sunscreen.
Who should avoid this facial cleansing brush?
Try to avoid using this facial cleansing tool if you have active acne on your skin, already facing some skin problems, or if you have a sensitive to very sensitive skin, and if you are all okay, like you have a very good skin and you wanted to exfoliate once in a while, then the facial cleansing brush is very good. Now let me show you all what products I have been using before buying this facial cleansing tool. I was using this Himalaya deep cleansing apricot face wash. I didn't bring this from India. In India it is costing 130 rupees and here it is $5. It is like 350 rupees here, but I initially needed some scrub to my face, so I bought this here itself. And later Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. My friend was using this and I got a chance to use at her home once and I really liked it. It is very gentle and it has very light particles that scrub your face very nicely, and I shifted to this and now I'm not liking this Himalaya. I would recommend this if you have a sensitive skin.
Now let's see how I'm using this facial cleansing brush. Pat your face with water and add some face wash on the brush. Gently move the brush all over your face in upward direction. We feel it like a little bit of massage is happening on our face, and along with this, as the bristles of this brush are circular motion and rotating, we feel like it is pulling the skin in that direction, and it is really very good feel, and the result was also equally good. And I'm repeating the same process for all over my face, on my forehead, and in the middle I was feeling that my face was getting dry and I added some water, and I'm proceeding with exfoliating my neck area. Once you are done, just wash your face with water and pat dry. And then don't forget to make sure that you are completing your night skincare routine. Also, I wanted to let you all know that I started using the Glow Recipe Plum Plum Hyaluronic Serum and I'm really liking it. The hyaluronic acid in this serum gives a deep hydration and really my skin feels plump after using this. And then I'm proceeding with my night skincare moisturizer.
I'm planning to use this facial cleansing brush once for 15 days, and then in between I would prefer using my Aveeno. Make sure when you are trying to exfoliate, be gentle and just don't scrub your face very hard. After cleansing my face, I cleanse my brush using the same face wash and then air dry it. I prefer to use it using a hair dryer so that a little bit heat is there. I'm not sure if it is correct or wrong, but I usually do in that way.
Do we need to exfoliate our body as well?
So exfoliation is not only for our face, even our body needs exfoliation. That's the reason we have body scrubs as well. Currently I'm using this body scrub from Tree Hut. This is a firming sugar scrub with caffeine and mocha and coffee. These are specifically body scrubs for exfoliating the dead skin on the body, and these are not supposed to be used on face. This is how it looks. It is all with sugar and coffee, and it smells awesome. If you are a coffee lover, you would definitely love this body scrub, and it is so nice. If you think that this video has helped you to understand why we need exfoliation and what are the uses of exfoliating, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, me, Vasu.